Hey there guys, it's Caleb with Steele Mitsubishi. I'm back again today to show you guys one of our new vehicles. This is the 2023 Eclipse Cross SEL in Tarmac Black. Let's take a look. To start off today guys, we are under the hood of our Eclipse Cross. The Eclipse Cross is a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, gives you great power and great fuel economy. This is also all-wheel drive. The Eclipse Cross comes standard with our super all-wheel control system, which we'll talk a little bit about once we are inside the car. All right, now with the exterior of the car, starting at the front, you of course have your forward collision mitigation radar along with the camera in the front here. You have full LED lighting for the running lights and the headlights, which you can see here. 18-inch wheels are standard on the Eclipse Cross as well in this nice silver and black two-tone. Making our way around the side of the car, you of course have blind spot monitor in the mirrors and keyless entry on the doors as well, so you can unlock and lock the car without having the physical key in your hand. All right, now around the back of the car, you have that same LED lighting for the running lights in the back, and opening up the hatch here, lots of space in the back. You have a pull-out cargo cover along the back here, and down below, you have some tools along with your spare tire as well. All right, next up guys, we are inside the Eclipse Cross. First off, this is the SEL trim, so you have a lot of really nice features in the interior. The seats, for example, are really a nice leather combo on the bolsters with suede in the center, and you get that gray contrast stitching, and you do have a power driver's seat in the SEL as well. Black headliner, which I think looks really nice. And as I mentioned earlier, you do get our super all-wheel control system in the Eclipse Cross. You can control it with the button right here and cycle through snow, gravel, and normal mode. In normal, it's going to run like a normal all-wheel drive system, prioritizing front-wheel drive and kicking the rear wheels on if the front wheels slip. What's really special about the super all-wheel control system is that if you have it in snow and gravel mode, you can actually lock the car in 4x4, so it's running all-wheel drive full time. Next up, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite tech features inside of the Eclipse Cross. The first being the heads-up display. This SEL trim is the first trim that this becomes available. This will fold up out of the dash and adjust the brightness and the position, and this will actually show me my speed along with other important vehicle information while driving right in my line of sight. Making our way down to the steering wheel here, you have this really nice leather wrapped steering wheel with the gloss black. You have controls for your adaptive cruise control here and paddle shifters mounted behind the wheel. The paddle shifters allow you to simulate a 6-speed transmission. Lastly today, taking a look at the center console in the Eclipse, you of course have your heated steering wheel and heated seats right here, electronic parking brake with auto hold, and dual zone climate control. A little further up is the screen. So on this display, you have your audio and phone. You can also use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto by plugging your device in down below at one of the USB ports. That wraps up our tour of our 2023 Eclipse Cross SEL. The most important feature to mention is, of course, our warranty. We do a 10-year warranty, 160,000 kilometers, the longest warranty in Canada that comes on all new Mitsubishis. Also, this Eclipse Cross, along with a few others, are actually currently available and in stock. With the shortages on new vehicles, that is a rarity. So if you're looking for a new vehicle and you'd like to come down and take the Eclipse Cross for a test drive, you can reach the store at 902-405-1177. My name's Caleb. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.